right, now welcome back. Now we talk about the Sugar Belly case where on the trend online. Now we consign our then boyfriend, where be Mustafa Audu, the son of Audu, and we don't actually die for inside the Kogi state, and one of the governorship candidates. Now a lot of people, she come outside talk say the son then. Say the son be there by force torchlight her with his friends. She go the son will carry her inside and bring his friends to by force torchlight her. Even the cousin too by force torchlight. A lot of things beat her physically and plenty things that they actually do to her. Now she don't actually come outside reveal what actually happened. She even get proof, but still a lot of Nigerians they laugh at her saying na lie. Even the wife of Mustafa Audu don't come outside talk say she is actually lying. A lot of people for inside Obodo Naija talk say she dey lie. Just few celebrities now come outside say we want justice for Sugar Belly. Yeah. But now you feel like with the question where I asked, you feel say our Nigerian society they treat rape victim in a way where not they good, where not they encourage them, where they actually bring down depression, make them depressed.
Yes. Our society make them. That's why your mother go say, no, bring shame, keep quiet. They'll leave you with the trauma, and the woman go enter inside house. Some it go make them start to sleep around. Some it go make them lock up. It go come be like say they get mental problem. That's why when you see women, mostly the Nigerian woman do something today, you go they wonder. A woman do this kind of thing. No, but you don't know from where she come from. Nobody really listen to her story. Yeah. When they say abuse, like when they analyze abuse here, abuse don't mean say you carry cane beat your pikin. Now you the abuser. Mentally, when you they bring the pikin down, you don't make him to perform well. Even when he dey with him peers, he no go fit perform well, no fit express himself. You understand? So those ones are different abuse. But like what's they talk, why I say the girl come in the wrong time. Yes, well, because we know if you go deep, we don't get plenty time to talk about that one here. But in case you want, if you go on top Twitter, you go see the matter. Me, I believe the story. Yeah. Because I don't come in contact with one very young girl where feel say she did wild sexually and they sleep with like 4 friends. And they feel say they okay. She not there. She is come anytime where they need her. She go there to attend to their needs and go. But I tell you, somebody don't abuse this girl and she feel say they normal. So she continue to do them. You understand? So like this Sugar Belly on, she feel say this Audu's son, now my boyfriend. But it don't come make her to they available for other men.
You know what they call Stockholm syndrome? What if it's like a case of Stockholm syndrome where at the end of the day you fall in love with your captive?
Yes. I watch Crime Investigation Network a lot. I don't see so many people. Get one where they kidnap. He kidnapped her at the age of 20, and she stayed with this guy till she was 27. She started to born children for him. She feel they say it did normal. Now the door they open, they lock. The guy they leave her go work, come back. But she no agree wrong, go back anywhere. But when the family can't discover her, go back home now. She say no because she don't go fall in love with this guy. You understand? So, Nigerian, we need to understand. Just understand. What if now you're picking? Like, serious. So, more find out the truth. If not be not lie, then she go face justice, the guy go facing.
I just feel say, yes, the story if they very real. She talk they very real. But at the same time, she don't really come out at the right time. Yeah. At this moment when she come out, although she don't come out before, yes. But this time when she come out, she no plan her well. But she no get people where they really dey by her side. They tell her, say, do it like this, do it like this. But at the same time, I believe, say, in a way, we get those people where they fight for the rape victims, yes. But you need for them to reach out to the right set of people who actually they in this story, this tied up situation. Those people like the people where they really, really rape, if they feel come out. Now those people who really get that problem, no, they really come out. Now those will get, I don't know.
Because the fear of shame to your family.
Yes, your family. Now those ones
keep you inside.
Yes. Now those ones no fit come out. And for those people to reach them, now they're the problem. I don't want to look say justice, no, they really prevail. Now because those
but
people
out of 10, how many?
Because they're not
actually dwell on this particular story just too much. But I just feel the time don't reach for us to stop today. See a girl will come outside talk say they raped me as being a slut in the sense that what you go for your house.
Somebody asked for Twitter say the thing say she go the first time, he abuse her, second time, he abuse her, third, whether I no give her money, no be the money make and they enjoy them.
Let's follow it up. But we will continue the conversation online. So enter with Facebook, Talk and Wazobia, Talk-Wazobia TV, and let us know your own opinion concerning this Sugar Belly case, and also on top Twitter at Talk Talk Wazobia. Now, time to reach for letter from the viewers. Queen B?
Yes, this one today, this matter just, they shock me all around. The war won't come to an end. Now, question when me go ask with that. This one say, dear Talk Talk ladies, I never really watch on our show, but person tell me about them, so she decided to share her story with us because they say we talk about real life issues every Tuesday. Yes. In case you never know, make you tell somebody, we know somebody, we go tell somebody, say yes, we dey on top of Wazobia TV. All right, this one, she said she won't remain anonymous, so she no even want to make anybody know her, so no name. Make you just imagine the story for your head. She said, just some months ago, I catch my mama for bed with my elder brother. Abomination, taboo. Brother, till tomorrow, say she no fit open her mouth to tell her family. She don't know how she want to tell her papa. And because of the whole trauma, she can't run, go school, go stay. She no agree, come back house again. She need help, I beg.
She actually need to see a psychologist or psychiatrist, or I don't know, psychologist better still, because the thing will actually affect her mentally. Or rather, she need to talk to somebody, maybe like a counselor, because it will affect her. Seeing that sight alone with your mother and your brother.
When you just hear friend talk say my mom, you go to fear.
It will actually traumatize her. But we don't get anything to actually, for me, I don't get any advice to give her. Just talk to someone where you fit call your mama to book. Because if you not talk, the act will still go on.
It still continue as you run. Go
talk to someone where you trust. Maybe like
exactly as you run, go school, so you go still continue.
Yeah, continue.
That school where you run, go. One time you say when you sleep for night, you no go see am for dream.
Or imagination.
Your imagination go dey run wild because you know even wetin dey happen as you come out.
And my own question is, say the parents, the mom no know, say she catch them. That's my own question.
Maybe she don't know. She feel no.
When you open door.
Impossible.
No, it possible. Let me tell you something. It possible. Say the mother no know, say the pikin enter. If they get some doors where you know they make noise. So all you need to now just open and small. And when you are in the mood, you not even they care about your environment.
It even be said the door actually they open.
Thank you. So trust me, there are other scenarios where we should actually give this particular story where they actually give us. But at the end of the day, we'll not feel actually give you the advice what we feel give you. But the thing be say, make she just talk to a counselor. Make she talk to a counselor.
And because to me, I be one say, oh, talk to your pastor, talk to this. But I tell you, sometimes when you talk to a pastor, it even expose the thing to another way, and the thing will cause big trouble. I feel like the counselor, but the problem for me, all these counselors, how accessible they did. That is one. Another thing. Then for Nigeria, we really no get that mentality of believing telling a counselor. Now, but though you go say, oh, you walk up to a counselor, you get the ones where they do one for charity and get the ones where they do one for money. So right now we really dey on a tight corner, but I beg, in case you dey watch us, go on top of Facebook, go on top of Twitter, make you advise this young lady wetin she go do. Make she tell her parents, her papa or mama, or make she go see counselor as we don't talk.
We get some message.
Small response there, then plenty anyway. So I will try read some. Funmilayo Josephine Ogedengbe, she said, this matter na serious one. Chai. Maybe you tell your mama pastor or imam, then go know how to call your mama and talk to her. Because if your papa hear now from your family, if your papa hear now, your family don't budget be that. Sure. I hear all the talk ladies. Thank you very plenty. Then Ogubanjo Abimbola, talk ladies, this matter na real begin. Waiting this world they turn to. God help us. Amen. Okay, then Ameze Ogame, your people. She say, I beg you, dear poster. Okay. Call your papa Sidon.
Hey, no, I
make you tell him.
Hey, yeah.
Gosh, this not taboo. You know it's to call papa Sidon. Her height have never said so. Michael Presh, drum roll. I greet the talk ladies. My brother/sister. Say you go school, no change the fact. Say waiting happen, don't happen. He hard, true. But to deal with a problem, person must face am. I know say you love your family, so no run from this problem. Talk to your mom and your brother, and on a calm day, make your mom tell your papa. Help her understand, say no secret they hidden under the sun. As somehow, someday, your dad go find out. So, it better say she tell her by herself. She tell him by herself. If she no agree, tell your papa by yourself. And make una no let this matter pass the family circle. Hashtag, I love una plenty. Happy new month.
Same to you.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
No, but
You support the one where say tell the father?
No, you know, people have their own different opinion. But me, I feel say if you want to make your family day together, try and look for a way where they feel caution your mama before your papa even know. Because if you tell your papa, well, I don't boss be that too. It's not be only your mama they involved for inside this particular matter. Your brother too. What if you send them come out? If he even die, so
because heart attack,
they need to handle them with care.
Shock.
More messages.
Yeah, more.
Okay. I read
Caroline,
like
Caroline Badejo. My dear, please tell someone, maybe your pastor or any other person that can listen and obey, and your mother can obey. And please stay away from them because they may get rid of you in order not to expose them. To another dimension.
Say the mother and the brother.
No, another dimension.
The mother feel no one won't get rid, but the brother go say, you know what, I dey enjoy it because the boy don't they abuse mentally, don't feel say the thing they normal.
But she they talk.
So if you bring and come outside, you they expose in love life or you they take in love life where he know to ram. So it go on deal with his sister. Yes, now because the mother don't become in love. Hello.
Not true. I know the evil don't they actually.
Now evil like in they build house for inside that place. So you know if you just take off the roof one afternoon, you have to gradually look for how you want to break the thing down to pieces before.
Chiagozie
but this one
Amadi.
is strong.
It's strong.
It's strong.
Chiagozie Amadi. I agree talk ladies. For this matter, I did too much. For me, I go talk say she should pray and fast for 1 week. And after that, go talk to your mama and brother. Make them understand, say, waiting then they do, na bad thing. But no quarrel with them, but listen to, maybe they listen to you. Talk to your pastor, maybe it will help solve the problem than running away. I greet you now once again, my talk ladies. The last person, Felicity Amalid. Hope I get to well. She said, don't be smart, no. But man, go do what you need to do so that they go address their issue. Because no be with their clear. Who tells you with their clear mind? He said no be with their clear mind. They use they do this kind of thing. Say na devil. They use them, they walk.
Devil go answer.
Devil they sleep. No, I leave devil alone.
All right, thank you so much for those of now that put mouth inside this particular matter. But if you still want comments, go and feel free. Just enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia or Facebook Talk-Wazobia TV. Now, when we come back after this break, we will give you Sabi Say. Stay with us.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.